Daddy, come on.
That time. I can't.
Yes, you can. You're shooting out here. Drink more. My teeth are gonna be off.
Yeah, you can't burp. Why can't you?
I'm trying. It's not like I'm purposely not burping.
Gosh, why do you have a talent of this?
Don't puke on my bed. You puking. I gotta pee. It's a PSP, Fatty. It's all over her leg. Did you get it? Oh! Daddy! You should have burped on my floor. I mean, pee on my floor. Goodbye!